Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday, and I'm going to do this mask. I'm going to get it started and then I have, we have some things to take care of. So this is the Pure Aura Karma Glitter Hologram Foil Mask. All right, let me get it started like I said. They have little places to tear, but I can't do it. What is wrong with me? So I have to use a scissor. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm a mess. Okay. All right. This is, the black part will go against my skin. That helps to hold in the heat is what they say for the moisture. Oh, it's a two-piece. Okay. I want to say I have tried masks from this company before, but I don't remember. Maybe not. I've seen the mask before. I believe this mask is from Fab Fit Fun, and to tell you the truth, one of y'all might have sent me this mask and I don't have a name on it. Usually I try to put names on it when y'all send me some so I can, contribute it to you when I put it on, but this doesn't have a name on it, so maybe I didn't get it from one of y'all. I don't know. I have some friend mail to show you, and I also have a winner to tell you about from last Mask Monday, which was last week with Kim from Hanging Out with Kim and T from Tea Time Adventures. So I have picked that. This is interesting. I don't know why masks don't like my chins. Does that happen to y'all? So it says that it's a hologram, but I don't know if I'm seeing much of that. It does feel very hydrating. Okay. Oh, it's I look like the Tin Man. I wore this because I found this in a drawer looking for stuff. And I'm like, oh, how'd that get stuck in there? And I haven't worn this one in a while, and I really like it. It's pretty. So, okay. I don't know how much I'll be able to talk with this. It's wanting to slide down. If you're masking properly, you're resting. When you put it on, you rest. But Mask Monday, people don't rest, we talk. So, but yeah, this is definitely sliding down. So, okay. Anyway, so last week I did a Mask Monday with Tea Time Adventures and Hanging Out with Kim. And Kim sent us a really cute sloth mask from the Creme Shop. That was a lot of fun. Y'all really enjoyed it. And it was just fun. So we did a little giveaway of some sheet masks. And my winner is Sin's Skin. Okay? So this is what I don't care, I don't like a lot of things about YouTube. But they decided a little bit ago to change our names. So what we see on the comments are our handle. So I was fortunate enough early on to get my handle to be my name. So you can see it's me, although it's at, and then it's all together, Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So this subscriber is @CYNSKIN. I think it's the number 7 if I wrote scribbly. So that's how I see Sin, but I do call her CYN, Sin. I figure it's short for Cindy or something like that. And she's been a subscriber for a little while. But when you use the comment picker, it shows the name of the channel. So even if you don't have a channel, when it takes you there, it'll be your name as it's not your handle. So some people, say for example, your name is Sue Smith. Your handle might be something completely different, or @Sue Smith with some numbers or whatever. So it can be a little confusing. Anyway, so I see, because of the comment picker, that SinSkin7 is CYN'(S) space SKIN, Sin's Skin. And this sweet young lady, beautiful lady, has 2 videos up. She's a brand new channel. Now, when I looked at her and I picked the winner. She had 7 subscribers, and then I subscribed, so she has 8 subscribers. So she just has 2 videos. She's brand new. If you want to get in on the bottom floor of a new channel, go check her out. I'll put her below, okay? So Sin, get with me, and I'll get you your masks, okay? And okay, so this mask is made in Korea. Pure Aura, I believe, is the brand. It got all wet on the. It's Karma Glitter Hologram Foil Mask. So am I changing colors? Not to me, I'm not. I just look silver. It says Perk. It has marigold, wormwood, moisturizes and revitalizes skin. And wormwood, I've heard many times with Korean masks. Dual layered mask consisting of detoxifying charcoal backing and foil front, which acts as insulation and penetrates deep into the skin for maximum absorption. Clean Beauty starts with Pure Aura. Okay, well, very nice. Thank you if you sent this to me and I didn't write it down. I do apologize for that, y'all. And I am having a lot of trouble with it. So, but that's because I'm talking so much. Okay, I have friend mail. And I was really surprised by this. It's from Betty Vick. Betty Vick is all the way in California. She did not tell me she was sending me anything. So it just appeared in my P.O. box. So thank you so much, Betty, for thinking of me. Now, she used an Allure box. And she put on the front our addresses. But it's on a card. So, I mean, I'm sorry, it's on an envelope. So I cut it just because I thought a card might be inside. It's got tape all over it, so I can't use that thing to, well, maybe I could, but it might just get all over. This cute little thing erases addresses. Oh yeah, it worked. Okay, it might just be sticky for me. I just want you to see how cute. So see, I thought it was a card, but I cut it open and there's no card inside. So look at the cute stamp with elephants. Elephants have always been one of my very favorite animals. And then look at these cute llamas and sheep, or llamas? Yeah, and sheep. Well, that's my address. You all know my address. So she used an Allure box, and then she had it taped. I couldn't get it open even after I cut the tape. So I ended up breaking the whole box. So I don't know, y'all. The heat's getting to me. Okay, let me open it up. I think the heat has died down in a lot of places. So if that's the case, by you, I hope, if you still have the heat going on like we do here, stay safe, y'all, okay? Okay, well, let me show you real quick. She's got it nice tissue in there, which I love to reuse the tissue. And I do see a card in there. Now, hang on. Oh, that's not a card. All right, hang on. There's a letter. Well, it says your Saturday Live inspired this package, and there are 4 pages. And Betty, I love you, Betty, but I don't know how she feels about me sharing all of this. So, but I'll graze over it, okay? Hey, Mary, her handwriting is beautiful. So I learned of your love of Huda's Legit Lashes Mascara, and I just received one in my icon box. I have a lot of mascara at the moment, so I thought you needed to have this one. Thank you, Betty. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, yeah, I guess it's okay to say these. I don't know how people, let me see if she says it anymore. I'm here not to say this out loud. There are 5 pages to this letter, y'all, but it's about the products in here. All right, let me show you that. She has it wrapped up nicely. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. I showed it in my empties and I did not want to get rid of it, even though it was over time. I kept it too long, but and you shouldn't. You should use mascara for 3 months. If I love you, I'm gonna stay with you a while. So Huda is just a fabulous company that has expensive products that I love. So this is what it looks like. and it's double-ended. It's called Legit Lashes, and here it says volume on one side and curl and length on the other. So when you open this up, the wands will be in these ends, and I love it. It works really, really nice. Thank you so much, Betty. This is an expensive product, so I appreciate that, Betty. You're so sweet. And then she says, I'm so dry these days that I really don't need dry shampoo anymore. I received both of the dry shampoo items in the Glossy Box outlet sale recently. I've never tried a dry shampoo powder compact. I've only used the spray kind, so I hope that it works. Okay, that this is Glossy Box. I have a few of these. I use these often. I carry one of these in my bag. I have one at my desk at work. Several of you have sent them to me. I love them. It's a, you know, it's a deluxe sample, but it's like it's at least half a bottle or a can of dry shampoo. It's the Authentic Beauty Concept. It's a really good line. This comes in Glossy Box and in all of the sale boxes, which I looked recently, that's still going on. So if it's something that you like Glossy Box, go check them out. They have some $7 boxes, and I don't believe they're charging shipping. And then this, I have this at my desk also, and I have tried it. It's something I've never seen before. It's the Style Dry Shampoo Compact Powder. So it's really pretty packaged. Let me open it and show you. Betty, you're so sweet. Okay, it looks like a compact, you know, like a powder compact. It does say Style Dry on it. It's hard to see that because it's white on white. And when you open it, there's a mirror, and then there is this. This is the powder. Oh, it smells good too. It has a scent. It says Orange Blossom. It smells very sweet and nice. Right here is the compact of powder, and then under there is your little brush. And then you can take your powder, do this, and then dab it like on your part, or, you know, wherever you need a little dry shampoo if you don't happen to have a can of anything with you. So I had never seen that before, and I thought it was super cool. So thank you so much, Betty. I just think it's so cool. I'm using the other one, so I'm sure I will use this. Y'all, this is just, I'm just gonna take that part off because I keep eating it. Betty, you are so sweet. And then, all right, it says, hang on a minute. Oh, there's other things in here. I'm not gonna read all of her words because I don't know that that's really nice to do. But she has some other things in here. Okay. All right, let me see. There is, Betty got a Clio Cushion Foundation, and in that package of foundation, it came with some cat stickers. Look how cute those are. Betty is a cat lover like me. She gets the best stuff. She has a lot of Asian things. Like, I'll show you, I don't want to show you her letter, but this is the stationery she used. These are cats, little Asian cats. Isn't that cute? So I just don't want to read all her, because she, you know, talks to me privately and stuff like that. She tells, you know, tells me that she's hoping that my pinched nerve is on the mend. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day, my sweet friend. So, she wrote this right before they were expecting that Hurricane Hillary. Well, I hope all went well your way, Betty. Okay, I will read all the rest of that later, but there is some more in here. There's this, see what I mean? She finds the cutest packaging. This cute little envelope, and then the back, and there's some things in here, and she did talk about them in her letter. She says that she prefers the eye masks that are, you know, the real wet kind, and I do love the Dew of the Gods eye masks. So these are dry. I've worn them many times before. They're dry on against your skin, they're moist, and then they're dry on the top like a fabric. So thank you so much, Betty. This is so sweet of you to think of me and send me all these fabulous things. Betty Vic, You're such a sweetheart. Y'all mean so much to me, and I love y'all so much. And this is getting way longer than I expected. I apologize, but I really got into this friend mail. Thank you so much, Betty. And thank y'all for being here. And do something nice for yourself. If you can't do it today, do it tomorrow, whatever. Pick one day, one evening this week to take a little care of yourself. Of course, we should do it every day, but I know we don't. So just, you know, we have to take care of ourselves because who else is going to do it? So anybody I mentioned that has a channel, I'll put in the description below. And thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings, and happy Monday. And come back soon, y'all. Love y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.